It is your girl, Boss Lady Lexi, here doing a hair review of the Outre Batik Premium Blend. This hair is not sponsored, but it is a gift from my daughter for passing my English class. Hey! And she's always known that I wanted to make a blue unit, so she bought this hair for me. It's a 5-piece, 16, 18, 20, and 22 inch. I took it out of the pack so it would be less opening. But y'all, let me tell y'all how crazy I am. I was thinking the hair was so rough, but of course it's here with this net on it. So it comes with a closure. And the closure is, it has like the material in the inside, contour. It's already been contoured. And the hair is not as soft as I thought it would be, but it's not as hard as I thought it could be. So, it has a middle part. And it also has two other partings where you can part it as well. So there's really no plucking that really needs to be done, and I don't think you can bleach these knots, so we're just going to have to go with what it is. And again, this color is blue. Let's see. It's called Jamaican Beach Wave. You get one pack and it's called LDR Deep Blue. And it's called Jamaican, and I'm gonna make a unit out of this because I'm not sure if I was to, well, I might get it in my head, it's just not probably gonna last, so that's why I figure it'd be best to just get a make a unit out of it. Let's see if we get any shedding through one of these. Again, it comes complete with one pack of free 4-inch deep lace parting piece, new high-tech fibers, soft and smooth textures, secure double back wefts for superior finish, and it is heat friendly with great curl retention. And this came from samsbeauty.com. She said she ordered it on a Thursday and it arrived on Wednesday. So the shipping was kind of long, but she said that it was only $2.99 for shipping. So I guess that's not bad. And let's see, we have, so this must be the 16. This is the 18, the 20, and the 22. So I'm going to pull out, oh, it's attached. Ugh. Let's see if we can't snatch that out of there. But you see the wefts. I don't want to really untangle it because I don't know how it's going to, I don't want to embarrass myself, let's put it that way. So I'm definitely going to be making a unit out of this. And I guess to keep the curl pattern, probably would use some non-alcohol free mousse to help keep the curl pattern in this. And it's like the hair looks like it's growing out of your scalp, and then it comes down into the blue, and as you can see, this is really a pretty blue. I'm super duper excited about it. Let's see. Okay, then we have the 18-inch. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold up. Well, this one just seems to come right out of the, there we go, the packet. So let's just push this back up there. And as I can see the difference in the length. I can see like a little bit of like bluish green fibers. It does shed. Well, I got one strand of shedding, as you can see here. No more shedding from this one. Okay. And this is how it looks on the back. How the wave pattern is. So I'm kind of hoping and praying that it does come out like this pattern, because I don't like the fullness, I should say. So I probably will only use 3 packs. I probably won't even use the 16-inch. It just depends on how well it all comes together. And it just tells you that the concealed is a natural look, protective lace layer for long-lasting wear, thin silk base. It was made in Indonesia, and you can just go to www.outre.com. I'm just really loving this blue, you know. I've always wanted blue hair. Always. Okay. Yes, and this is the 22-inch. And again, it probably will just take some alcohol-free mousse. And this is the 22-inch. And yes, we do have some shedding here, as you can see. Just a few strands. Well, no, this looks like more than just a few strands. And here's the wefting. And it has something in here. I don't know what that is, but it came out whatever it was. So this would make a cute little ponytail, a ponytail wrap. But you know, I'm not into that. I'm into the weaves and things. My daughter's trying to help me to. Yeah, this is the 22 inches is shedding more and more. Not some more here. Now, if you put them all together, this is what you come up with. And there's a big difference in this 22 and the 18-inch. So, I can't wait to get started on this. Gives me something to do, even though my hands are messed up. But I'm gonna, you know, think positive. And when I do make the unit, I am going to do the cutting method. I don't know how to do that flip over method that great, and I really don't like it. So I will be cutting the wefts, and I will be using the black glue, which I did purchase from Amazon. The black hair glue, the hot heat glue. Yeah, it has lots of shedding. So I'm going to look forward to this. And the next time you see this hair, it's going to be on a unit. So I thank you all so much for tuning in. Again, I'm not sure if I'm going to record me making it, because that's going to be, I don't have the correct tripod. I just have the tripod that you put on the desk here that I'm using. So we shall see. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Again, next time you see this unit, it will be a unit. Okay? Bye, everybody.